In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an account inactive and active again in QuickBooks Online. Managing your accounts properly is crucial for keeping your financial records organized in QuickBooks Online, and knowing how to make an account inactive when it's no longer needed or reactivate it if you need it again can help streamline your bookkeeping process. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by opening up the QuickBooks website on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged in with your credentials to access your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the navigation bar. Here, you'll find various options to manage your accounting tasks. What you need to do is locate and click on My Apps, which provides access to the different applications and features that are integrated with your QuickBooks account. Next, let's focus on the accounting section. Navigate to and click on Accounting. From here, you will see the option to access the chart of accounts. This is a key part of QuickBooks as it lists all the accounts and categories you've created to organize your financial data. It's important because it shows you all the entries that you've made, helping you manage your financial transactions effectively. You're now in a position to make changes. In this section, you will see a list of accounts. Browse through these and find the specific account you want to make inactive. On the right, you should notice a small arrow pointing down next to the transaction of that account. Click on this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu of options. Here, you'll want to choose Make Inactive. Keep in mind that making an account inactive won't delete it, but will remove it from your active lists, which can help declutter your workspace and prevent errors in accounts that you may not use frequently. After selecting Make Inactive, you'll be prompted to confirm this action. Go ahead and confirm it. This step is essential to ensure that you don't accidentally remove access to an important account. Once confirmed, the account will now appear as inactive. Now, let's say you want to reactivate this account. You can easily switch it back to active. Simply revisit the Chart of Accounts page. Be sure to select the option to include inactive accounts in your view. This allows you to see all accounts, not just the active ones. Locate the account you deactivated and click the down arrow next to it once again. This time, select Make Active. Confirm this action to bring the account back to active status. It's a straightforward process that provides the flexibility needed to manage your accounts efficiently. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to make an account inactive and reactive it in QuickBooks Online. This simple skill can help keep your financial management clear and organized, saving you time and effort in the long run. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more useful QuickBooks Online tips.